boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you. I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D. I host The Scoop, my friends, where we talk about your marijuana, your cannabis investments. We get into your crypto investments. We get all over. We get some gold investments and all that stuff, my friends. So, you know, what we do is we do technical analysis. We do look at those charts. We find out exactly what's going on. Look at those 50-day, those 200-day moving averages, man. We look at where the averages are going. We do a fundamental analysis also, my friends. We take a look at those numbers. We take a look at exactly what's going on with some of those companies. We listen to the conference calls. We get in there. But what separates us from most people out there, my friends, is something I mastered during the dot-coms back in the day when I was trading them. We go to doors and we knock down doors and we find out exactly what's going on with that company. We go right, we talk to the CEO, we talk to the CFO, we talk to those people. We'd make sure everybody was being paid at the company. We make sure everything was copacetic at that particular company, my friends. And that really saved us a lot of money, just like it did with the marijuana industry. As we had one company that was like $13 and it was a paper company. Of course, it's about zero now, but we found out early on that it was a paper company and people that piled into this company at 12 and 13 and 15 cents. Well, we went over to the state where the company was located and there was nothing there. So we found out early on that, hey, this is a company to stay away from. Not only do we get you in good companies, but really what we try and do is keep you away from bad companies, because that's where you lose your money. And you don't want to lose all your money. Your hard-earned money, my friends, you do not want to lose it. So that's where we come in. We're this kind of channel for you, my friends. Hit that subscribe button. That one right there, that one. Where are you? Where are you? Hit that subscribe button, my friends. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're out there, my friends. Keep your comments going. I love it. Anything, we try and... my friend... Let's face it, today was bad. It's a bad day. It's a bad day. You know, you have bad days. You know, some of you ladies out there, you have bad hair days. You know, some of those guys out there, you know, you have bad days from time to time at the office, guys and gals, and you know, it's just a bad day. It's a Monday, and it was just a bad Monday. You know, was it a killer Monday? No, guys, come on. Let's put this thing into perspective now. The Dow was down, what, 3.5%. You know, you have 2%, 3% down days every now and then in the market, my friends. Can this continue? Yes, of course it can continue. But in the real thick of what are you scared of? The S&P was down a little bit. The Dow was down. I mean, there's no need to go out and jump off the bridge or anything like that, my friends. Plus, we're dealing with special situations, you know, with like HIVE blockchain. That's a special situation, like with OWCP Pharmaceuticals. And special situations, we'll talk about them more, my friends, as the time. And gold is in its own league by itself. Gold is gold. Is gold value? Is it going to go up? Are you going to make money with some of our little gold stocks that were in Marijuana Today, Vanadium? This little mini book has been really worthy there when it comes to gold stock. You guys were telling me months and months ago, Mickey D, the most valuable part of that book, you know, the vanadium and uranium stocks, the marijuana stocks are cool, but like they're in a bear market right now, Mickey D. So those stocks, those gold stocks there, just one in particular that you talk about, 7 cents. The guy's over 70 cents now. You know, and then there's several others in there that are up 100, 200%. Of the 10, most of them have done exceptionally well in this little book, my friends. But that's not what I want to talk to you about today. And like I said, Thor, Thor's read all the books, and he said, Mickey D, I'm still lost. Well, my friends, you can go to any library, go to Amazon.com, you can get the audiobook, paperback book, or the ebook. Just ask them for Mickey D Books. And they, of course, will gladly get them for you, my friends. Your local library, they'll get them for you free. Just go in and ask for Mickey D Books. They'll have a budget where they'll be able to take care of that for you, my friends. But have no fear, my friends. The scoop is here. So, my friends, you know, as some of this, we're not talking about a super bad day, my friends. It's a bad day. We're not talking about a super bad day. Can this continue? Mickey D, did you take cover? Yes, I did. I went and bought some of the Qs, shortened the Qs, which right now, to me, the technology is way up there. You've got 6 stocks, 5, 6 stocks that are just, really controlling this market deal. And that's really what's going on. And my friends, you'll be all right. Just have some patience with this. Have some patience. In fact, let me start with OWCP. Down 10% today, my friends. We did touch 0.035 on its low today. Now, what has Mickey D been saying? Hold your fire. I've been dipping in at under 5 cents. Just really $1,000, $50 here, $100 there. I'm not talking about I'm not putting everything there, my friends. But we've been looking for the last month or so. We've been looking at, actually the last 2 months almost. See that gap right there at under 3 cents, my friends? We anticipate that gap being filled. And one of my subscribers asked, well, Mickey D, is it going to go even lower than that? It could possibly go lower than that. But once that gap is filled, that area is all filled in, that pool is all filled in, wouldn't you feel safer diving in once it has water in there? We're going to fill that gap, my friends. So we'll be able to dive in. Full disclosure, I own shares now, but I will be backing up the U-Haul. And I'm going to get a big U-Haul, my friends. I'm going to back up the U-Haul when we fill that gap point. And I'm going to have a buy order as early as tonight. I'm going to put a buy order in 0.028, 0.027, 0.025. Because I feel comfortable in that 2.5 to 3 area. Now, at 0.035, we were there. We were close today. Close doesn't count, man. Close. You can be close, but Mickey D says no. I mean, you remember now? Come on, you remember when it was 15 cents? I was telling you, hey, we're gonna fill this gap. We're going back down. We're going back down into the 3s, guys. Come on now. We're going back down. We're gonna breach that 3 area, and it may be quick, fast, in a hurry, in a day, but we're going back up. But we need to fill that gap, my friends. Many of you said, Tom, he said, it's holding off. He knows. Me and Tom, we've been for years. Tom Peters, we've been for years, and he knows that when Mickey D, when the scoop puts something out there, generally, now, just like his gold stock picks, make sure you read some, they're usually on the money, So we kind of know what's going on here. So when we go down, we may even go down to 1 cent. I can't predict this. Magic 8 ball. It doesn't work like that, my friends. But we feel confident that even then, at 15 cents, that we were coming back down to fill that gap at under 3 cents. We're almost there now, my friends. Patience. We're knocking on the door. So when we go down into the 2s, I will be backing up the truck, my friends. And it depends. Now, if it's a big down day like today, a down day, and I think we can go further down, and we're not into March, and this is a better scenario the further we get to the end of March. That's where this thing is going to take off, because they're going to have to come out with some information by then. Now, they may come out this week. They may come out next week. They're at the end of that period. Remember I told you, 10-day, that window that some companies give out. Some companies they're predictable when they have their news periods. And, OWCP used to be predictable, but now, things are happening and they're not really as predictable as they once were. But my friends, I believe that if we get something, we're gonna go up over that. We're gonna boom and boom. But until that happens, as we get closer to the end of March, when by law they have to report to us shareholders with the 10K annual report and tell us what exactly is going on. What have they been working on? Are they, how far are they with this, some information that we believe to be accurate right now that they can disclose to us? No, it's not insider information. It's just guessing on my part, because I'm guessing, right? Because I've done the research. So I think I can make a calculated guess. My friend, you guys that have been with me for a while, you know that I know exactly what I'm talking about, and you need to read between the lines, man. There are things that I can't tell you. Tom, somebody tell people, and I appreciate it when you guys say things that I can't say. Okay, I can't say it, but I'm going to tell you right now. I want to make this crystal clear. When we go down on OWCP and we fill that gap, I don't care if you have I don't care if you have a Volkswagen. I don't care if you have a bicycle with a garbage bag on the back. My friends, you better be ready. You better be ready for it. This is the easiest trade, one of the easiest marijuana trades that I have ever made since the beginning of the marijuana era, my friends. You guys know I was on board early. I was an investor. They were talking about closing my account here in America when I was buying these up in Canada, Aurora, before, a lot of these guys, a lot of these companies, you just remember a lot of my new subscribers, and I love you. God bless you. Give me a thumbs up. Let me know you're out there. Subscribe, my friends. A lot of my new subscribers have not been around for a while, and thank God for new subscribers. I love you, all of you, my friends. But you guys haven't been around when you've only known a bear market, because we're going in the second year of a bear market. There's not a bull in sight, my friends. You look at Innovative Industrial IIPR. I mean, it was a stock that we bought at $19 and we wrote it up to $140. It was a teenager and we wrote it up to $140, my friends. So you guys aren't really, you've known a bear market. You just known these stocks to be on their back. So that doesn't include everybody. A lot of you I know, we were in here and we made money hand over fist together, my friends, when we bought all these stocks and stuff real cheap. Canopy, before it ran up to $60. You remember, it had to start somewhere, guys. It was $1, $2, and $3. That's when we got it down there. Before some of the other stocks went up real high. We were on them early. So there's not really another chance, my friends, to get these things for pennies. And if you get them now, take a company like Aurora. ACB, my friends. A company like Aurora right now is having some issues and some problems. There are people out there saying it's going to triple, it's going to double, it's going to do this, it's going to do that. Price predictions everywhere, my friends. But let's see it do something. As you guys know, I was on this company real early, one of the original investors. I love this company and all. But my friends, things happen in an industry. Legislation in America is really slow, my friends. Things are happening. Do not go out there and throw your money away right now thinking stocks are going to go up in a bear market, my friends. Unless you're a trader and you're trading in and out of these markets, God bless you. You're making a lot of money because they're going up and they're coming back down. I'm telling you in advance, they're going up and they're coming back down, and that's what they're going to do, my friends. About the only thing out there right now that's going to go up and it's going to stay up for a minute as soon as we have this, with all this coronavirus and everything going on. Right now, the only thing that's going to stay up, my friends, is probably gold right now. That's probably some of these safe haven areas. That's probably it, my friends, that's going to go up. But anyway, we are just waiting. OWCP, you're going to get an opportunity. You people that didn't get an opportunity to get it at 1 and ride it up and make a lot of money at 1 cent, didn't get a chance to ride it up. You're going to get an opportunity again because we believe for a while now it's going to fill that gap. So just be patient and just wait. Just wait. A lot of people said, Mickey D, you're full of it. You're blowing smoke, man. It's not going to fill that gap, dude. It's over at 15 cents and 14 cents, saying you're out of your mind. Where are we today? We're right there within a penny of filling that gap. Let's let it play out, my friends. half a penny. Let's let it play out. Maybe tomorrow, maybe next week, maybe 3 weeks from now. Let's let it play out. But I want you to have that bag with you, my friends. Not that bag that you're going to be holding. Just be ready. Just little. That's me. That's me. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. I'm an author. Just little bits, my friends. That's where we are with OWCP. HIVE blockchain, my friends. So we segue to HIVE blockchain. Sure, down today, 15%. My friends, as sure as this is a book, I can tell you, HIVE blockchain, as long as Ethereum goes up or is at its 260, 262, leveling off, 250, we're not going, I don't believe we're going down lower than probably around 220. You know, we originally said, well, once we got up over 200, you know, it's all over, game over. It's going to HIVE blockchain. When we back the truck up, my friends, on HIVE blockchain at under 10 cents, 7, 8 cents, check the paperwork, man. It was November, December, it was all under 10 cents for a long time. So anybody could have gotten it. It's nothing special about getting in at under 10 cents there. It's just that the timing, when the timing was right, that's when we gave the go ahead and most of the subscribers were able to take advantage of that. God bless you. Congratulations. That's going to be a great trade, my friends. I liken that trade to back in the day when I got a hold of AOL, America Online, and it went up to $50 and stuff. They're talking about these emails or these things that come out through the air. They land on your computer and you'd be able to see them. You know, it was a concept out there. Same thing right now with Bitcoin and Ethereum right now, my friends. People aren't really seeing it as for what it really is right now. As long HIVE blockchain, man, my guy over there, Holmes is doing his thing. Met him years ago. Like I told you guys, over 25 years ago. And Frank is a good guy, and we're privileged. We're lucky to have a CEO like this in a position like this in a fairly new industry, my friends. Believe me, there's some managers out there. There's some supervisors. There's some CEOs that have issues. This guy has been part of the gold business. He's been part of mining as long as I've known him. Met him years ago. The guy's a straight shooter, and that's a CEO that we can be proud of, guys. And we're in this industry at a very, very low point right now. Sure, Bitcoin did go up to 20,000, and Ethereum did go up to 1,400 or so, but they're both trying to find their way right now. Like I said, Ethereum at 262 or so, hey, I'm comfortable right there in the 200s right now. Price and time, baby. Price and time. Same thing with Bitcoin. I'm cool with Bitcoin around 10, around at 10,000 or so. I'm cool. 96, 97, 98 is playing around. But you go down to 8, go down to 7 again, and this is just a false breakout, my friends. That's all it's been. It's just a false breakout. But as long as we're holding and maintaining, we're just showing just a bull flag. That's all. We're looking good. Looking good on both of those, my friends. So have no fear. Is the market? There's a lot of fear out there. Have no fear. Just mellow, man. Sure. We went down today. Like I said, HIVE went down about 15% today. Nothing to worry about. Nothing to worry about. It can go down another 5-10% tomorrow. Nothing to worry about, my friends. Now, if Ethereum and Bitcoin go down, then let's worry about it. Let's worry about it. But as long as they're up, we're going to bounce back. That's my message to you, my friends. Thor, have no fear. Just wait. Patience, my friends. Especially all our marijuana. We got marijuana stocks for days, man. Just patience. Patience. We have the best. Sure. These companies are going to turn around. Canopy is going to lead the way, my friends. But Canopy may have to touch $10 USD. It may have Canopy, and I don't want to scare anybody. I don't want to make anybody crazy or anything. Canopy may have to touch single digits before this thing is done, my friends. Oh no, Mickey D. It can get under 10. Just chill out. Chill out. Chill out. It's not that we're in a bear market, my friends. Stocks go down in a bear market. Special situations. Well, Mickey D, why are you buying OWCP? Why are you focusing on that? Because we have a special situation here where we can make a whole lot of money based on the information that the company is withholding right now from shareholders. Is that clear enough to you? Is that clear enough? My goodness, it's not insider information. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. I'm not a financial advisor, my friends. Let the news guide you, man. Let them guide you to where you need to be, my friends. So don't trip. Do not trip. That's my message to you. Do not trip, my friends. You have two winners. I can't say they're definite winners. I can't say, they're no-brainers. But, my friends, the blockchain, Bitcoin, Ethereum are here to stay. They're not going anywhere. I don't care what people are saying. Hey, they're saying this and that and the other thing. The gold, those little gold stocks I've been talking about, sure, it's hard to get some of Hummingbird, my friends. It's difficult to get some of these right now because ain't nobody selling them. So you're going to have to buy them at premium prices. People have thousands and thousands and tens of thousands and hundreds of thousands of small little gold stocks. They're not giving none of them up. These little gold and silver stocks, you're going to have to pay a premium for them. That's all there is right now, my friends. I'm telling you straight up. These stocks are, if you want to get in them, the time is now. There's not a better time, I don't think, than to get into some of these little small gold stocks right now. And I've been saying that now because I've been telling you about it. I didn't tell you about it. I wrote about it. I had to because a lot of you wouldn't believe what I was telling you. So I had to write about it over a year ago and tell you what was going on, my friends. Hey, you want another series of books coming out? I might do that. But I'm going to need some time. I'm going to have to ask you guys to make a sacrifice also. And one sacrifice, I have a friend, Paula Renee Cheek, one of my dear friends, family friend. Known her for forever. She's in the hospital now in Texas, and we want to give her a shout out. And Paula Renee, we want you to get well, and we want you to be well. That's what we want, and we wish you a speedy recovery. And our thoughts and prayers are with you. Also, my friends, there was a day that they did the memorial today for Kobe Bryant, his family, friends. And everyone was able to publicly say a goodbye to Mr. Bryant and his family. That was kind of touching. It was tough, my friends. Also, this morning, the Scoop celebrated this morning, even though we're just right on the door of 3,000 subscribers. And I'm going to work my way through that. You can see the T-shirts we wore today, the commemorative T-shirts of the cannabis, crypto, and more. The T-shirts we wore today as we celebrated 3,000 subscribers, loyal subscribers, my friends. A lot of people have been purged. A lot of people don't. But when you put out a video, my friends, and you have 3,000 subscribers, less than 3,000 subscribers, 10, 20, what have you, and 1,000 people, 800, 900, 500. I am very, very thankful to all of you that watch these videos, my friends, because you guys make this thing go. Very, very thankful. And I show gratitude to my subscribers. Not enough, my friends. But I love you all. And yes, the thumbs up. Let me know you're out there. I love you guys. And guys, just have patience and load up when the time comes. On HIVE blockchain, we're right there right now. Just keep an eye on Ethereum and keep an eye on Bitcoin. And those are going to be signals for you to do what you need to do, my friends. But we're catching it right now, and we're going to. Hive is not the price of Bitcoin. It's not the This is a stock, and we are from a mining perspective. We're catching this from a mining perspective, not so much the coin itself. Yeah, some people have asked. Izzy was asking, should I just go to Coinbase and buy some Ethereum? If that's what you want to do, you can do it. But we're trying to catch it from low risk, high reward play. Is our Hive blockchain also is a good play for us. And I've mentioned Riot in the it was down also. I've mentioned a couple more stuff. They've been down, but we'll see how things go, my friends. Love you. God bless you. Have a great trading week. If I don't hear from you, if you don't hear from me during the weekend or so, just you guys stay the path, stay the course. When we breach that, just try it. I just want you to try it. Just try it. Just see if this gap stuff that Mickey D's been talking about is real. No, not all gaps are filled, but this particular one, we're as close as we can be, my friends. And like I said, I'm going to rent a U-Haul today, and I'll have that U-Haul ready tomorrow morning. And I'll have it right up near my place, and I'm going to be ready to load up, my friends. I'm going to be ready to load up. And that's where, we loaded up already on Hive blockchain at under 10 cents. So if you want to load up now, hey, it was down 15% today. Let it go down 15% tomorrow. Let it weed this out and stuff. Let it get right there. It's 200-day moving average. We'll see. We'll see where we are, my friends. Have a great day. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family, my friends. The next video is coming up right now. I want you to take a look at it and binge out today, my friends, on the scoop. Love you. Take care.